Morning. This is Arnie Waters at Waters Capital in Boston, Massachusetts. Today's commentary is for December 2nd, 2010. People in China and the BRIC countries want the same stuff we do. They want laptops, they want phones, they want washer dryers, they want refrigerators, they want houses that are well insulated. As a consequence of this, we will see increased demand, and this is the key, for things that are made using rare earth metals. In addition, we see greater uses for those metals in magnets and in medical devices. So as a consequence, the demand for rare earth metals is going to explode. Allied to this point of the growth of regular demand in these countries, what are called BRIC countries, is the concept that the net demand for oil and related products will explode. What that means is we're going to see a lot more demand for oil as supply is limited both by existing fields and by the increasing regulation that will prevent exploitation of new areas. So what we're going to see is, while I structurally believe oil is going to trade in a fairly narrow range over the next little while, and it may trade down some, it may trade up some, well, that's a pretty strange statement, that the reality is over the long term, we're going to see demand for oil and oil-related energy products explode in price. So we want you to be cautious in the short term and very bullish in the long term. A final comment about industrial growth. Industrial growth in China may well slow, but that's pretty meaningless, and in India as well, because industrial growth now accelerates in a dramatic fashion. You will doubtless recall, all of you old people, that it took the United States and Germany about 100 years to go through industrial growth. 10 years, in the last 10 years, that same growth has occurred in Korea and Japan. So the time period for dramatic industrial growth is changing, and that's an upward sign. We are quite optimistic about the future, while we remain guarded about the daily transactions. So aim for the ice flows, not the open water. Gold is holding in. Have a great day and keep swinging.